Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate you. And any of you who may be new, welcome, and I hope you enjoy my channel. Well, today I'm here to do a VR for Crafts and Tea with Janet K. Janet is doing a Twinchie challenge. And I'll give you all of the rules, and then I'll explain to you what a Twinchie is if you don't know what it is. So her challenge started on August 7th, and it will end October 31st. It must be postmarked by October 31st. You must be 18 years of age or older. You must be a subscriber to her channel, and she said she will check. It's open to US and international subscribers. She is giving 2 prizes of $25 into your PayPal account. VRs are appreciated, but not mandatory. And she is asking for 2 Twinchies, more if you'd like, but no credit if you do more. So I am going to put a link to her video for her challenge in the description below. And look in her description box for her email or Instagram address to get her mailing address if you enter her challenge. So, what is a Twinchie? A Twinchie is a 2x2 little piece of art. And I wish I had one made up. I should have thought of it before this, but I don't. But I'm going to make one with you just to show you. Now, Janet said on her video that there are lots of YouTube challenges out there and tutorials. Ugh. And that's absolutely right. There are a lot of YouTube videos on Twinchies. I found when I looked at them that most of them were mixed media. And I'm not a mixed media kind of person. I am a clean and simple crafter. So, if you go out there and look for videos on how to make Twinchies, and you're a clean and simple crafter like I am, and Janet too, because the Twinchies that she showed on her channel were all clean and simple Twinchies. I want to give you an example of how to put one together if you're not a big mixed media person and want to do all that kind of work to it. So let's make a little Twinchie. And this is how I do it. Doesn't mean you have to do it this way, just means I do it this way. So I always start with a piece of cardboard. I put my name on the back so whoever I send it to knows who it came from. I do not decorate the back. It's going to be stuck down someplace and nobody's going to see it. So why waste paper or ink or whatever on the back? Then I start out by just inking the edges. I don't like the edges to be raw, especially cardboard. This is either a cereal box or a cracker box that I cut up. Whenever I make ATCs, MDEXs, Twinchies, I always use this because it makes it good sturdy. So I did a couple things ahead of time. So I decided to use this as my paper on the front, and it is laminated. Just in my stash. This is a great project to use up scraps because it's so small. It's so little. Use your scraps. So I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to use hot glue because I'm not sure how this laminated will work. I usually use my art glitter glue, but I just have that on the piece of cardboard covering it all up. And now you decorate it any way you want. Use ephemera, use die cuts, ribbons, bows, buttons, bling, whatever you want to do. There is no right or wrong to making one of these. It's whatever you feel. And that's what Janet's looking for. She's looking for a little piece of art that she can have in her craft room from everybody. So this is just a piece of silver thread, and I'm just going to put that on there for a little texture. And it's coming apart, of course, because this is a video. Let's put it in the bowl. And then my main thing is, of course, a butterfly. And it's got a little bit of dimension on it. I'm going to put some hot glue too, because I don't trust these stickies to stay stuck. So just a little hot glue, and I'm going to put it here sticking up. And it's fine on Twinchies if they go off the edge a bit. It's not like an ATC that's got to fit in a particular pocket. It's not like that. And then I have this little flower gem, and I'm going to stick that in this corner. Just to have a little bling in that corner. And I think I will take, oops, disappeared on some of this blue bling and put it here. So I'm going to take 2 little dots of hot glue, because I want to make sure it sticks. And that picks up the blue in the butterfly nicely, I think. There we go. Looking pretty. And that was so easy. And then I'd like to put a little sentiment, and I think I'll do it right there. So I need a little glue dot. And I mean a little glue dot. I'll go at this end. And a little bit of hot glue on this end. And let's just stick that here. And it says, love life. And I probably took the other part of the there. And there you go. That's a Twinchie. How simple was that? And that's all you have to do. No fears. Just do something nice and easy. If you're not comfortable with mixed media or don't know how to do mixed media, do what you do. Do what you do. I'm sure that's what Janet would like, is a piece of your art that you like to create. So there you go, everyone. There's my Twinchie. And I think I'll cut these off because I don't like them hanging like that. And please go and check out Janet's channel and her challenge and enter and have fun with your Twinchies. Until next time, love yous. Bye.